Good morning, class.
Good morning, Poopy Bum Bum.
Kalu, that was not fair. Do it again, then you will go to the principal office.
Okay. Fuck you. I'm pulling the fire alarm.
Oh fuck. Evacuate, it's the fire alarm.
Oh shit.
You idiot, why the fuck did you pull a fire alarm? People were very panicking. Plata Kevin might get the golden ticket. You're grounded for 4 years. Go to your room.